Okay, this one's kind of a weird one, but we kind of traded the juke. We got a 350. So Jen's doing the tires. Long story short, tires couldn't really fit in her car. I had both fronts in the juke and another tire, so we used 2 wheels and a tire. Couldn't really fit, so we just traded. Now I have a 350 for their like 2 days. What she doesn't know yet is I jokingly said, what if I just throw my exhaust on your car? So we're probably gonna throw the exhaust on Jen's car just for a little bit because her birthday's coming up. And I don't know what she wants. She says she really doesn't want anything. She just wants one thing, which is just a birthday card and a little note. But even then, I want to get her something. So just an exhaust for the week, just to see how she likes it. Besides, it's the TOMEI along with the Motordyne white pipe with the resonator. So she's gonna love it. Just gonna take the exhaust off tonight and then probably throw the exhaust on tomorrow. Maybe Thursday. I don't know, I'll figure it out. But I'm gonna do a couple things to her Z. Just a little maintenance stuff. And then we'll get back to it when we're taking the exhaust off.
Damn. 2 Nismos. Both real. Both kind of, one has no front bumper, one has kind of a messed up one. Both on real wheels. Maybe one's cracked, but these ones, dude, these TEs look so nice on Jen's car. Again, she kind of knows I threw that idea out there, but we are swapping the exhaust today from the 370 to the 350. It is a 350Z exhaust, that's why it sticks out further, that's why it's kind of burnt. But yeah, that's why it kind of burnt it. But it is a 350 exhaust. I kind of just fiddled with it so that it sticks on, but it should go on Jen's car pretty solid. She kind of has an idea, but I just told her, I was like, nah, maybe not, maybe next time. But we're just gonna check out the car, take it off, throw it on the 350. Okay, so this is what I have done so far. Had to take off this piece so I can get to the hangers. Gotta loosen up the hangers, gotta come to this side, do this too, loosen up the hangers, and I'm gonna drop the muffler. After I drop the muffler, I can take out this whole like pipe and then get to where her white pipe is, and then we can throw the TOMEI on. It should just fit right in. But yeah, that's what's done so far. This is a ground. I don't know where this goes, but I'm just gonna hang it here. I don't know what it's for, but yeah. Oh, dude, there's like crap in my eyes, but yeah, get some safety gear. But loosen the hangers, drop this thing. But right now I gotta tune into my class because I have class right now. Okay, we got the whole muffler off. This white pipe's low-key kind of a pain. Getting that muffler off was kind of a pain too. Just a whole bunch of stuff needed to be removed, like these rear guards, I think. And sorry guys, I'm out of breath. I'm like in class going back and forth a lot. All right, now we're in a break, so just jacking it up a little more so I can get a little bit more clearance so I can take off the bolts for the white pipe, and we should be good. Okay, what's up guys? So under the car, dude, this part for the white pipe's hard to take off, but we got the TOMEI on. Put it on the hanger, so it's just gonna hold it. I'm gonna need to adjust the other end because it's kind of fit the 370, so I'm gonna have to twist and turn the hanger a little bit. But just swapping these bolts out because they're shorter. These are the OEM ones for the TOMEI bolts, so I'm surprised it fits well. This is a 3-inch pipe, which I did not know. That's good to know. All right, let you guys know when I'm done. Okay, TOMEI's on. So this is her hangers, but I had to use mine because it hangs just like a little bit lower, and the clearance issues I'm having right now is not good. I don't want to burn the carbon on it, but just doing my best. Okay, all cleaned up, ready to go. Exhaust is on. Let's see if you can see it. Well, you can't really see it, but exhaust is on. There's no exhaust on the Z. I'm just waiting for her to get here, cleaned up and everything. Damn, there's so much space in the front. Anyways, yeah, just gotta wait. Jeez, I'm so like tired, bro. That like took basically the whole day. It took like 4 hours because just trying to get the OEM one off was like a pain already. I'm vlogging.
Hello.
You notice anything different?
No.
Come on.
Okay. filled up your car.
Oh, okay, bet. I was gonna go fill up yours. Notice anything different about mine?
Did you take it? Oh my god.
I haven't started it up.
No.
I haven't started it up. It was touching a little bit, so I adjusted the hanger, so you shouldn't be touching. You want to start it?
Yeah. Oh my god. It's still cold, so I'm not gonna rev it.
Huh? Oh shit. So when's the TOMEI coming?
It's someday. Get it before the bumper.
Bro, do it. Fuck it. Oh my god.
Sounds so
And this is just the cat bag. Like, imagine if you had like the white pipe too.
good.
The Mutterdyne one. Oh my god. You ready?
Yeah. Oh hell no.
Right. So like, make sure everything was tight. Ooh, that was a little too fast.
It scared me. I
Oopsie.
thought it just fell.
All right, everything's tight. Left the W brace bolts a little loose, but we're good. How do you love it?
I love it. It's so nice.
Oh my goodness. All right, so in the meantime, she gave me the old tire back, bro. This thing's dead. But she did the what do you call it? The cracked / bent wheel. It still holds air, so hopefully it's good. I don't know if it's this one or not. I just know it's the cleaner one, which is this one. And then, oh wait, they're both kind of clean. Anyways, we're gonna throw these on the Z. Not tonight. Pretty tired after today. I need to get rid of this.